Hi everyone, this is G-Top, your ultimate destination for everything Windows related. Today we'll talk about what to do when your PC won't turn on. Okay, here's the thing. You turned on your PC normally yesterday and started your business work. Then, you shut it down. The next day, you press the power button as usual. However, your PC won't boot. You don't hear the fan running, don't see the lights blinking, and don't see anything on the display but a blank and black screen. Alright, it doesn't matter whether it's the first time that your PC won't power on at all or not. It doesn't matter whether you can't start a Windows laptop or a Windows desktop. Here we'll show you how to fix a PC that won't turn on properly and let it come back to life. First of all, let us sort out what causes your PC to fail to boot correctly. Why is your PC not turning on? Many factors may be tinkering with the smooth working of your PC. Therefore, when your PC won't start, it could be a problem with the power supply, the software, and the hardware. Power supply issues include the power supply unit, the electrical outlet, power cord, or surge protector that are not working properly. Software issues include a corrupted operating system, unsafe applications, unknown malware, and so on. Hardware issues include faulty motherboard, broken power button, overheating machine, and broken CPU, RAM, or graphics card. How to fix a PC that won't turn on. We look at some surefire ways to help start your Windows computer. The fixes in the following apply to almost all the Windows versions like Windows 11, Windows 10, and so on. And we cover the steps for a few Windows computer brands to show you how to fix a PC that won't boot. This includes Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, Acer, Microsoft Surface, Toshiba, Samsung, Sony, MSI, and so on. If your computer brand isn't included, let us know in the comment below, and we'll provide the specific solutions for you. Now, let's start. 1. Check if the cable and the power source are working properly. When your PC is not turning on at all, it usually means that there is no startup chime, no fan or drive noise, and no visuals on the display. In such cases, the first thing to do is to check if the power is on and the connection among your PC, power cable, and power outlet is firm. Also, you can unplug the cable and replug it, or reseat all the power cables that require, and then test if your PC turns on. If you're using a Windows laptop, be sure that the battery has enough power or keep it charging. If your PC is still not booting, consider applying another power cord or surge protector. You can test the cable first on another device to make sure it's working properly. To give your PC the best power supply, it's better to plug the cable directly to the wall power socket. Once done, press the power button and see if you turn on your PC now. 2. Check if the monitor works normally. There are great chances that your PC starts and turns on, but the display shows nothing. It makes it seem like your PC doesn't turn on at all. Yes, this is a factor that's easy to ignore for most users. In a case where your PC won't turn on but has power, to troubleshoot such PC booting problems, here's something you can do for the monitor. Make sure to press the power button to test if the Windows computer turns on after each step. Check the power supply to your PC monitor. Confirm that all cables are connected securely. Unplug the cable and then plug it back in. If you use more than one monitor, keep your PC connected to only one monitor. Try to use another display if possible. 3. Disconnect external devices. Are there any external devices connected to your PC? If so, they could interfere with the boot-up process, preventing your PC from turning on properly. To rule out this possibility, unplug all the external accessories attached to your PC. For example, the USB hubs, printers, external hard drives, and so on. While retaining the keyboard, the mouse, and the monitor connected, press the power switch and see if your PC starts and turns on correctly. 4. Check if you hear uncommon beeps. When you start up your PC, listen to the computer and see if it's making any sounds. In a normal boot-up process, you should hear one short beep from the machine. If the sound is loud, long, and noisy, there might be something going awry. Then, turn to the manufacturer for help or check the user manual to see if there's any fix. 5. Perform a power cycle. If none of those previous steps work, then it's time to fix the software-related problems. Software glitch is the most common reason why your PC won't turn on. Thankfully, it can be fixed with a forced restart. The steps to force a shutdown is a standard method that should work across different brands and models of Windows computers. Find the power button on your PC. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds. 6. Turn on PC in safe mode. Have you recently installed a new drive or downloaded an application from an unofficial website? If the answer is yes, these new changes might stop your PC from turning on properly. To troubleshoot such a startup issue, attempt the safe mode method. A PC booting up in safe mode will remove these new installed items from the boot up process and trigger the startup procedure with only the original settings and software. Now, let's show you how to fix a PC that won't start. The steps here work to turn on Windows computers including Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, Acer, and so on. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to turn off your PC. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it on. When your PC starts up, before the Windows logo shows up, press the F8 key repeatedly until you see the Advanced Boot Options menu. Select Troubleshoot. Choose Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Find the Safe Mode with Networking or Safe Mode option there with a specific number. Use the arrow keys to select it and press Enter key to confirm. Wait a few seconds, and you'll see that the PC turns on in Safe Mode. Now, delete the applications that should be responsible for the PC not turning on issues. Once done, to exit Safe Mode, use mouse to click Windows from the bottom left corner, choose Power, and then click Restart. Hope now your PC turns on and you can use it normally. 7. Restore your PC to previous settings. Some users complain that their Windows computer turned on successfully in the previous period, and they're asking if there is a function or feature to return the computer back to that state. And we're happy to tell you that such a function does exist, which is called System Restore. Note that restoring to a previous state will wipe clean what you've saved recently. If you're fine with that, we'll show you the steps. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to turn off your PC. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it on. When your PC starts up, before the Windows logo shows up, press the F8 key repeatedly until you see the Advanced Boot Options menu. Select Troubleshoot. Choose Reset this PC. When asked, choose if you'd like to keep your files or remove everything. Then, finish the on-screen steps to reinstall Windows. This might take some time, so please wait patiently. After that, your PC will restart and boot up to the lock screen. 8. Ask help from a professional. If you've made it this far and you still find your Windows computer won't turn on, time to examine the hardware. If you assemble the PC yourself, you can disconnect all the cable and then build it again. If you're not a computer whiz, you'll need to take your PC that's not turning on when pressing the power button to a specialized store. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to let us know in the comments below if you find one or more methods that work for fixing your PC that won't turn on. If you still have problems, provide more details about the specific symptoms or any recent changes to the PC in the comments below so that we can try to help you troubleshoot the issue further. Hope this video helps troubleshoot your problems and you can like it. We'll highly appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our GTop channel and share it to your friends or on social media to help those in need. See you in the next video. Bye.